Good morning, Wildcats. I'm Tinley Nickel, and these are your daily announcements. Ponca City BPA recently submitted projects for the BPA State Leadership Competition. State finalists announced out of that competition include Ethan Meyer, Amani Otatala, Dylan Nance, and Madison Thibodeau for broadcast production. Tinley Nickel and Toby McDaniel were named state finalists for podcast production, and Tinley Nickel was announced as a state finalist for financial math analysis and concepts. Andy Massey will also be competing for management, marketing, and human resource concepts, which did not require a pre-submission. Other entrants included Taryn Goddard and Rachel Lawson, who competed in graphic design promotion. The finalists and Andy Massey will travel to Tulsa on March 7th, 8th, and 9th, where they will make their presentations over their projects to decide the winners and national BPA qualifiers. And now for sports. The Ponca City bowling team pictured here won the state championship with Coach Jessica Hamlin and team members Portia Kreger, Mallory Riley, Maddie Jernigan, Sanaya Rabb, Elizabeth Ramsey, and Chris McDaniel. Maddie, Sanaya, and Kimberlyn will represent Ponca City next week in the All-Stars tournament in Edmond. The wrestling team competed in dual state last week. The team finished 8th overall in Class 6A. Christopher Kaiser was the state champion at 106 pounds. Cameron Kaiser finished 3rd in the state at 120 pounds, and Gabriel Rowland finished 4th place. Congratulations to all athletes on their success this weekend. Spring sports kick into high gear today. Baseball will take to the mound tonight at 6 p.m., and they will battle Barnesville in a Phillips 66 Cup battle. Tennis is traveling to the Westmore tournament for an all-day tournament today. And soccer will be at Solon Stadium today at 3:30 to take on Edmond North. If you can't get out to support the Cats, you can tune in to Pohai Wildcat Media on YouTube for a live stream of the soccer game. That's all we have for you today. Have a great day and go Cats.